Hey everyone! Today we're going to create a 3D looking dashboard in Power BI using only the built-in standard visuals and their formatting options. This technique relies on adding subtle shadows and borders to simulate depth without needing external tools or code. Adding depth with shadows. The easiest way to simulate a 3D effect is by adding a shadow to your visual. 1. Select Visual. Click on the standard chart or visual you wish to modify. 2. Open Format. Go to the Format pane. 3. Find Shadow Settings. Navigate to General, then Effects, then Shadow. 4. Adjust Appearance. Adjust the shadow's color, a lighter gray works best, transparency and blur to create a subtle raised look. Next, creating raised borders with frames. You can use basic shapes to create a contrasting frame or raised border behind your visual. 1. Insert Shape. Add a shape, like a rectangle, and place it behind your visual. 2. Use Frame Properties. Use the shape's frame properties, similar to box shadow in web design, to create raised borders with an offset, spread, and blur. This gives the appearance of a framed object lifting off the page. Next, applying bevels. Paginated reports. For more advanced 3D effects on detailed reports, you can use the bevel option. 1. Use Report Builder. This step applies to paginated reports, Report Builder, not standard Power BI desktop reports. 2. Select and right-click a chart or visual within Report Builder. 3. Enable 3D effects. Select 3D effects and enable the options for bevels and lighting. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.